So, we're back at smokierspy. Make another build update video. We found this giant 21 and a, well, it was 20 and a half foot, just black wall pipe. Oh, got a message, mine. And so we decided to, or he decided to make another mini bike frame. Except this time with a swing arm, like a suspension swing arm. So this one's just about complete. Got the, it needs a master link, but got the chain lined up, jack shaft in. I need to get the sprocket still. Then it needs to come in the mail. I can do a chain, get the engine running or rig up a throttle, and this shit's good to go. He has a slick for the back here, and he found another slick and with a go-kart rim with a 1-inch inner. What? No, I thought it was 1 inch. A 7/8 inner bore. So he's gonna live axle it. Put a.
Yes, you can live axle a mini bike.
Yeah, I know.
It's possible.
Yeah, it's. You can put a diff on it too.
What? No, you cannot put a differential on a mini bike.
So that's what he's doing. We're gonna build another frame. So yeah, some more this and that.
What are you doing?
Hold on. Muddin', God damn it! Muddin', fucking turn your back. Modern cold. That's how we roll. Yeah, a little bit.
Hey, there's on the spring.
This is the beefier. What? The springs over there.
The legit mini drag bike.
The beefier mini bike frame. Just a good lumen noise. You're a lead fell.
A lead fell?
Lead.
At least the lead didn't fall. I mean, yeah.
What's the matter for yourself? Courtesy of yours truly. Just put it down on the bench. Hey, and then try bending the rest of that piece all the way around. Yeah. So it makes a really strong band.
I need to be over now. Wait, Miriam.
No, just do it.
Or Miriam. Nope, okay, right there.
No, don't cut it.
Now, it looks like it's actually strapped.
Now that looks a hell of a lot more safer than that.
I don't care.
That is also galvanized.
It'll be okay. For a little while.
Hey, second time building a bike. You actually know what you're doing this time.
What's the second bike, Bill? Not even done with that
Homemade.
one. Not even done with that one yet.
Frame.
Yeah.
That actually looks really good.
It's hot.
Lemonades. Totally choo-choo the lemonades.
This one actually has a lean to it. That one doesn't. That one almost has a reverse lean on it. Right, guys, it's the should hold method. And it's not cleaned up, so.
Don't need to be.
It does. Every flux core weld looks better when cleaned up. That's why I clean my welds up. And it's just stronger. you stop it.
Yeah. In between your wells, so it doesn't take up much of the movie. That would look so much safer.
It's kind of gay.
I would actually trust that.
I think it looks kind of gay.
It does, but I would trust it. I would completely trust it with my life.
You stupid.
A good welder should always trust as well.
Mo, this mini bike frame is actually going to look like? You know what it looks like?
What?
The front end of a rub.
Of a what?
Rub mini bike? That's what Justin has. You know, this one with the gas, aluminum, silver gas tank.
Oh.
Looks like his.
Oh, the one with the giant torque converter?
Yeah. One that goes fast as shit.
Well, but it don't run worth shit.
He always ripped on my mini bike, then he went and bought it.
In time, you should fill in all that.
So you get a big piece of... What's that square flat piece?
If it was
longer, you gusset it.
Wait. Have a flat like that. Go all the way up as far as you can.
No, if it was like...
No, go flat.
No, if it was like that, cut the angle to fit all the way along to like right here. And you gusset the whole thing in. Strong as shit.
Don't matter, I would trust that with my life. I'd probably feel like a dumbass, but I'd trust that with my life.
You are a dumbass.
What's the matter for yourself? What are you cutting? Huh? What you cutting there, Choocher?
Taking that and leveling it so I can bevel it to put a piece of pipe in to come back on my back half of the frame.
Oh, are you gonna start? That's when you're gonna build the box?
When you cut it all the way through, it's nice to have a full-size cutting wheel go through in one hit so you get a majority level frame.
Is it flat?
Flat enough.
Yeah, it's flat enough.
For being what we're working with.
On the movie, it looks flat.
For what we're working with, it's pretty good.
Yeah, on the movie, it looks flat.
Shit!
What?
Cherry Pepsi.
Oh.
It's all over the floor now. Fuck. Now it's all over the floor!
Oh.
It's bull piss!
So, we still have a shit ton of foot of this pipe.
Oh yeah, I only cut 46 inches off of it.
And we're just getting started.
It's like a 146 inch pipe, so we still have like 106.
Woo, it's getting a little cold in here.
Hot.
I ain't gonna be cold. Yeah. I just got the shivers.
I'm not.
I just got the shivers.
I didn't bring that front one last time.
Looks about good. If anything, you just fill it in.
Actually got a little far. Oh no. That was not perfect.
Hey, we should put that 10 horse in.
Make a judgment.
I know you're thinking about it.
Whoever gets the most comments, 10 horse or 5 horse. Put it on Mud North's page on YouTube too. What do you think, guys? 10 horse briggs.
Hold on.
With a belt drive.
A 10 horse Tecumseh. No, it's a Tecumseh.
No, it's a Briggs.
A 10 horse Briggs straight pipe with a 5-inch pulley welded onto the shaft. Electric start, no pull start, and it runs ish.
Kinda. Sometimes.
Oh, wasn't even getting the shot.
Or a 5 horse flathead Briggs, which I've had on all my mini bikes, and all run fine, except for this one, which is a 3 horse. But
do you have another 5 horse, or are you going to get one?
no, I have to buy one.
I'm thinking bigger motor for shits and giggles, and already has a straight pipe on it. Wasn't even pointing out the shot, so I vote retarded. 10 horse, bigger motor, just for shits and giggles, or an actual mini bike frame or engine.
Damn, it's something hard to push through. A screw. No, screw. Or I'll use the backside.
I want to remind all of you, we are not measuring this. We are all eyeballing.
Don't worry, I'm using the backside of my knife. Ever seen the rear swing arm? Give me more like a dirt bike. With a sling. You know, I'm very, very tempted to put a dirt bike in. Remember that engine we have to repo?
Yes, I do.
I don't think it'll fit in there, but
We can make it fit.
I'd rather go to Jeff and get that 100cc Yamaha.
True. Or you have that KDX-80 engine up there that just needs a top end.
It needs top ends and needs top end and magnetos and shit. At least just needs a top end. Whatever it is, it's gonna be a two-stroke because it has a big ass expansion chamber on it. Put one of those big FMF expansion chambers on it. That's not FMF. That's just a Kawasaki. Ooh, that's a big ass cat. Shocks and bolts on.
Shh, he's doing a movie.
We're gonna get the front end built. I got bushings. Some rash bushings to fit in it for my lawnmower training.
Do movie, you do. I do movie, you do movie?
Yeah, we both do movie.
Movie.
But I'll get back to you when we get the rest of that welded.
So, when you're fucking pissed, you're getting ready to fucking do all your videos, and it dies on you. For fuck's sakes.
How are you doing it now if it died?
Well, because it just froze and died.
Because I turned it back on.
Yeah, because I turned it back on, so. He's just finishing up the rear sway arm. This is going to be part 1 of the big bike, and part whatever I'm on my channel of whatever that piece of shit. The drag bike. This is the off-road bike.
No.
Yeah.
Drag bike too.
And we decided to do dual springs. Found another one. So, Trevor LC and Smoke Your Spy. Big boy bike 1.